Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. For all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me, all your comments. Keep them coming because it really does keep me going. I am a little bit of a transition right now in life in regards to doing a job change, and Greg and I will be living apart while we move into the new area where my new job is. So bear with us. Our videos are going to be a little bit sporadic. I hope you stick around though, because we will be back regular shortly. So thank you everyone for understanding the little bit of delays in videos. Now this one's going to be a two-part video. I'm going to do a swipe with house paint, and the same colors I'm going to use for the house paint as well as the soft body acrylic white. So the first one's going to be the house paint, and the colors I'm using are, all three of them are metallics. This one is the Artist Loft Metallic Black. This is an opaque color. These ones are semi-transparent, and it's from Global's Acrylic Metallics. This one is Metallic Cyan, or Cayenne, however you say it. And this one is the Metallic Blue. Both of them are Global paints. Never tried the Global, so it'll be interesting to see how they work. And again, it's going to be a swipe house paint first, then my next video will be part 2, and it will be with the soft body acrylic white as the base. We'll see how much of a difference it makes for the swipes. Alright, hit subscribe, you guys. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I appreciate every single one of you, so thank you. Greg's going to hit some music, and let's get started. I have my level ups, which are these guys right here that I level my canvases with. Because I'm on the spinner, I can't have the level ups pre-attached to these. They're actually really easy for a standard canvas. Just slides right in like that. You can get 4 of them in and level your canvases. But because it's on the spinner, I have to have them pre-done, so they're on the side of my table here leveled already. But they're really easy to level. You just spin this little lever, it goes up or it goes down. Super easy to use. I have the kits available excuse me, in the description below. If you want to check out my kits that I have, I'd appreciate it. Alright, let's get rolling here. Hit the music, hon. Let's have some fun, see what happens.
I got burning feet from hard asphalt. A voice within me tells me don't go home. So I run until my feet give out. I jump a little higher to clear the ground. Every shadow of every girl, every time I turn around, I swear it's her. I second guess my every move. I hold my breath in case I run into you. Just can't look, I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. And sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive streets that no longer are my own. I keep driving your way home. You live across the park from me in a place that steals a tiptoe view of the sea. Your sister came back home to stay the day I packed my bags and went away. So I found a room in a leafy street with a stranger and a traveler who both welcomed me. Try and remember my new way home, but habit sometimes steers me down your road. Oh, I just can't love, I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. Sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive the streets that no longer are my own. I keep driving your way home. the day breaks slowly, and I know I can't be this lonely for that long. Got to grow up, show me how it's done. 'Cause baby, I've been trying with no luck. Oh, just can't love. I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. Sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive streets that no longer are my own. Oh, I just can't look. I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. Sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive streets that no longer are my own. I keep driving your way home.
outside yourself when you have all of the world inside.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun, and it shines as it opens.
Your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the mountains.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say, why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Your
inside?
mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would
inside?
you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would
inside?
you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
You know, you can feel it when you look inside. You know, you can feel it. It's no surprise. Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would
inside?
you look outside yourself when you